I'd like to do a quick little walk around of the do-it-yourself trailer that I built. It has a 12,000 BTU furnace in it. The interior is constructed of hardwoods, poplar and birch. Storage in the front. The vents are for the furnace. Storage cabinets here in the back. Television, power outlets. It has a max air fan. This is the water supply. Here in the back we have the galley. Two burner stove. The sink. Has a 15-gallon freshwater tank. Cabinets all have self-closing hinges and magnetic catches. And that was my 2021 design and build.